morning guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I was trying to find Luna all morning this morning, literally went around the house, couldn't find her, and then I was like, you know what? You hear that thunderstorm? I know exactly where she is. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Do you guys hear that? I don't know if you can hear that in the sound on this recording, but it is pouring rain still, and I'm gonna wash my face. I just finished my last ballet class of the morning. I have one this afternoon, but we'll have to wait and see with the weather because the power keeps flickering in and out. So if the lights just go out, that'll be why. But I'm gonna do some skincare and get ready to do some ballet because figure just in case dance is canceled, I may as well move my body. I moved it a lot last night because I taught a bar fitness class and I also taught a jazz tech class where I did the entire warm up, and my glutes are really feeling it. So I'm gonna roll out on the foam roller before I dance today. And I'm probably gonna focus more on point work because I've been lacking in that. I feel like I've been doing a lot of legs, a lot of strengthening work, a lot of stretching, but I haven't been doing a lot of strengthening in my feet, and I'm losing it because I was doing échappés the other day and I kept rolling over my ankle. So I'm gonna focus on that today. First though, skincare. So I'm just gonna move you quickly. Like I said, I wanna work mostly on point work today. So I was gonna wear pants, but because I'm doing point work, I wanna focus on looking at my footwork and my knees and my legs. So not wearing pants today, wearing a skirt from Halara. I love this skirt. I also need to sew a new pair of point shoes because these are so beyond the end of their life. I really, really do need to sew a new pair. They're getting to the point where I'm over the box. They're past the point of where I'm over the box. They're at the point where they're actually falling apart in the corners. Like literally there's a hole in this one. So sometimes when I do échappés, I hit the plastic part underneath the satin and literally slide and almost face plant. So that's fun. Hence the reason I don't do a lot of point work at the studio anymore, because I'm always tempted to do more things like pointe turns and big leaps and big jumps and big turns. But I know that's dangerous for me right now because of these shoes. So I considered doing class at the studio, but I would have had to leave now, and the weather is terrible now, so I just kind of want to wait it out as long as I possibly can. I'm also really sore from last night. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm really sore. You know those nights or those classes where you feel so flexible, so you're in your over splits, you're lifting your leg up here and holding it, then the next day you're like, yeah, I'm not actually that flexible. I regret that. That was me last night. I was doing all the things, and yesterday too, and now I'm feeling it today. Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay, that's the best we're gonna get today.